Welcome to Easy Physics classes.
Today, we are going to discuss some important points regarding NEET. What is NEET? NEET is the abbreviated form of National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test. It is conducted by NTA, that is, National Testing Agency. It was earlier conducted by CBSE. CBSE conducted NEET from the year 2013 to 2018. From 2019 onwards, NEET is conducted by NTA. Official website of NEET is www.nta.ac.in and ntaneet.nic.in. NEET is mandatory for admission in medical universities in India. All India allotment to MBBS and BDS seats are done on the basis of NEET. Indian citizens and overseas citizens of India intending to pursue undergraduate medical courses from a foreign medical or dental institute also needs to qualify NEET. Allocation of seats will be 85% domicile and 15% All India quota. That means, in a particular college, 85% of the seats will be reserved to students from that particular state. Students from all over India can secure admission in the rest 15%. Fee structure. Fee structure for general category is Rs 1500 plus GST. For general economically weaker section or OBC non-creamilaire, it is 1400 plus GST, and for SC, ST, OBC, PWD or transgender, it is Rs 800 plus GST. Age limit. For a student to appear in the NEET examination, minimum age limit is 17 years as on 31st December of same year. No maximum age limit as of now. Earlier, this was also imposed, but it was disputed and has been stayed by the Honorable Supreme Court of India. Date of exam has been rescheduled this year to 26 July 2020. Duration of the exam is 3 hours. Scheme of the exam. Type of questions: multiple choice questions. Total number of questions: 180. Total score: 720. Marking scheme: +4 for every correct answer and -1 for every wrong answer. Eligibility. You should pass in all subjects in class 12. English should be studied as a compulsory subject. Aggregate percentage in physics, chemistry and biology should be 50% for general category and 40% for SC, ST or OBC. Syllabus. Physics, chemistry and biology completely based on NCERT syllabus for class 11th and 12th. Distribution of questions. 45 questions from physics, 45 from chemistry, 45 from botany and 45 from zoology. Qualifying score. Qualifying score is that score upon getting which an applicant can appear for counselling. In order to be eligible for getting admission to undergraduate medical courses for a particular academic year, in case of general economically weaker section, qualifying score is a minimum of 50th percentile. For candidates belonging to SC, ST or OBC, it is a minimum of 40th percentile. For candidates belonging to PWD general category, it is 45th percentile, and SC, ST, OBC non-creamilaire, it is 40th percentile. Category-wise number of qualified students in last year. Approximate value. OBC around 3,75,000. SC around 1 lakh. ST around 35,000. Unreserved around 3 lakh. The total number of students qualified in last year was between 7,75,000 and 8 lakh. Number of seats filled. Around 75,000 MBBS seats and 25,000 BDS seats. Cut-off marks. Cut-off is the minimum qualifying marks which the students must attain in order to get selected for further admission process. Cutoff will vary for various categories. It will be calculated based on various factors like number of candidates appearing, level of difficulty of exam, performance of appearing candidates, etc. Cutoff will be declared along with the declaration of NEET result. It will be available through online mode. Approximate value of expected cutoff marks for MBBS this year are: for general category 570 to 600, for OBC it would be 560 to 590, for SC it would be 475 to 500, and for ST approximately 450 to 475. Approximate value of expected cutoff marks for BDS this year: for general category 560 to 580, for OBC 550 to 570, for SC 450 to 475, and for ST 420 to 440. Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe our channel for more updates.